Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Yeah, please join us for next 10 minutes. My name is Abdul Majid Bijaji. I'm doing this as sadaqah, so whatever you pay, a part of it went to Adam Center, and the other part is to make the, for the electronic part.
I'm gonna turn on this switch right here. And let's see it. That is the test for the robocar.
So basically, it won't be this messy wire here. It's going to be very clean. So this is like a more advanced, and I just put some chips here, okay? I have a shield for you going to put on Arduino, and it's going to be easy. So basically, you're going to build this car, and you're going to learn how to put electronics. And I'm going to go with ages, don't worry. For 7 years old, I'm going to go very slow, okay? And I will have to make it. So finally, you will take it home. You're going to learn also how to make mobile applications. So this, for example, this application here, you're going to create, okay? And I'm going to give you a link. There is a Google Meet. I guess you use it in school. So Google Meet, I have all classes I'm going to show it to you, okay? So for example, I can scan. This is it's using Bluetooth. You see this Bluetooth? Okay. You select it, and then you can see that, and a few other things. But the main thing, you'll be able to make this car. Is that good? So let's go to, yes, go ahead.
Well, I see on the car it has, I think, sensors on the front.
Yes. This is an ultrasound. It's a proximity. When you get to a wall, it can stop by itself, okay? Or you can program it to do something else. Yes, go ahead.
My Chromebook is 5%.
Your what?
My Chromebook is
Camera. It's easy, so everyone can see the same principle. You turn it on. Okay. And I'm gonna let you play with it, guys, okay? So it has a different mobile application. So it's trying to connect. Okay, so you see the class? You get transmitted to your phone here, okay? So we're gonna have fun. I'm gonna let you burn things, but don't worry, I'm not gonna burn anything like a resistor, an LED. You can burn it, it's not gonna make a fire. I want you to learn by having fun. That's the idea. Then I explain you how things work. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, it looks like it's probably going to be a lot of fun.
It's gonna be definitely a lot of fun.
Because this is real technology.
Yeah.
Not fake Legos.
No, and we're gonna build things from scratch. My principle is really not to go and just give you like a Lego kind of robot that you just plug in, and then I want you to build it from scratch, by yourself, from detail, and make it easy for you. So you all have this. It's the same thing. This is just small. It is a microcontroller. Arduino Uno. What you have in Arduino Mega has more pins. Okay. And then very simple. We're gonna start using this for simulation first. Then we're gonna move into your hardware. And then we can, once you design it, once you learn how to design this, we're gonna save that file and we're gonna 3D print it here. Okay?
So do you like put the screen there? Like what do you do?
How you save that as an STL file. And I have, you see this? Flash memory. stick it into my laptop. There's a USB adapter, and then I copy that file and I 3D print it here. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun, and it's very easy software. Let me show you how easy it is. Okay. Today we're not gonna build anything, but just to show you what we can do with these things.